Some of them beg for their life. I don't feel sad. I don't feel anything. It's a filthy world we live in. It's a filthy, goddamn helpless world. And honestly, I feel like I'm helping to take them away from the shit and the piss and the vomit in the streets. I'm helping to take them somewhere clean and kind. You think I'm crazy?
No. I think you're creative. And I think you have a lot of pain you're not dealing with.
My mother's probably worried about me, right?